In this video, I am going to be walking you through a step-by-step process on how to host your content local landing pages for absolutely free. And this is XB Marketing with another video. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. So I am going to be taking this landing page as an example. As you can see, this is a Disney landing page. All right, so for those who want to download this landing page, I'll leave a link in the description. You can download this landing page for absolutely free. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to head over to your CPA Grip account to grab your content local script. Okay, so if you go back to your CPA Grip account, you can see this is a brand new CPA Grip account that I just made. So basically you can use this for any CPA Grip account. All right, so what you want to do is you want to click on get code. And for those who don't know how to create a content locker, I already made a video dedicated to that. So I will link it down below so you can go watch that video. So once you've created your content locker, you want to click on this get code and you want to copy this script. All right, so once you've copied that, the next thing you want to do, once you've downloaded this landing page, of course, you want to go to the directory where you downloaded the landing page. All right, so you want to click on this index. Also, I must mention you want to download this software before you even start anything at all. It is called VS Code. So basically, if you type VS Code on Google, it's going to bring you to this page. So you want to click on whatever device that you want to use to edit this. So basically, you want to click on whatever device you are using. All right, so once you have the software downloaded, like I said, you want to go back to the directory where your content local landing page is saved. So you want to click on the index file and you want to right click on it and you want to open with VS Code. All right, it is called Visual Studio Code. All right, so once you click on that, you can see it brought me to the code of the landing page. And don't worry, I know this may look overwhelming, but don't worry, all you need to do is make one single edit and you are good. All right, so once you are on the HTML file of the content locker, all you need to do is just scroll down to the very bottom of the page and you want to add in your content locker script right here. All right, so I'm sure if you open the landing page, you should see a script like this. All you need to do is remove that script and then you want to replace it with your content locker script. I hope that makes sense. And also, in case if there is no script, maybe it looks like this. All right, so it's possible I didn't add a script to it. So in case if it looks like this, all you just need to do is you want to come down here before this body. Okay, all you just need to do is click on this and you want to paste your locker script right there. All right, so basically that is all you need to do, and then you want to click on file and you want to save. So once you do that, you have your content locker script. So whatever conversion is made on this landing page is going to be recorded inside your CPA Grip account. You can also do this with OG Ads as well. It's literally the same process with OG Ads as well. You can do this with any incentive CPA network. All right, so once you have that made, there are a lot of free hosting providers that you can use. You can use GitHub, you can use Netlife. There are a lot of other ones out there, but so one of the best ones that you can use is Netlife or GitHub for absolutely free. So I'll be taking Netlife as an example in this video. So creating a Netlife account is very, very simple and it's also free. All you just need to do is go to netlife.com and you can create an account. Okay, all right, so since I am logged into my account right here, all I just need to do is go to incognito mode. So if I paste this netlife.com right here, all right, so we are on netlife.com right now. So you can either click on this sign up button or you can click on this get started for free. So whichever one is going to work. They give you varieties of ways that you can create an account with them. I know most people are not going to have this option, so I recommend you just go with your email address. So all you need to do is click on email, type in your email, your password, and then they will send you a verification link, and then once you verify that, you have an account. Okay, so literally that is how simple it is to create an account with them. So the next thing you want to do, once you have an account created, your dashboard is going to look like this. So once you've made your edits to your landing page, the next thing now is to deploy your landing page to Netlify. So all you just need to do is drag and drop this folder where it says drag and drop your site here. So we are just going to grab the folder and drop it in here. Okay, so once you drop that in there, it's going to upload it. As you can see here, it gives you an option. If you have a custom domain that you want to use, you can go with that option as well, but we don't need that. All right, so what you want to do once you've uploaded your content locker landing page, you want to click on this site settings. So once you click on that site setting, the next thing you want to do is you want to click on change site name, and then you want to give it a much more appealing name related to your landing page. So since we are using a Disney landing page, we can just say get Disney. All right, so let's see if that is available. Okay, that has been taken, so let's type get Disney now. All right, so that is available. So basically this is going to be our link right now. As you can see, get Disney now.netlify.app. So basically this is the link you are going to be promoting. This is the link you are going to be sharing on whatever social network that you are using to drive traffic, or however you are driving traffic. This is the link you are going to be sharing, because if you use your generic CPA link, most social network are going to block that link. So this is the main reason why you need to use a landing page, or you need to host your content locker somewhere. All right, as you can see right now, we also have Ssl Certificate, which makes our site, which makes the landing page looks legit. So if we try out the landing page and let's see what we have. So if I click on continue, and now do you have a Disney account? Yes. So now it's saying fill in your Disney Plus data. So I am just going to type in xbm@gmail.com. So I'm going to choose a country, it doesn't matter. So I'm also going to choose unlimited, why not? And then click on continue, and now it's going to start doing the whole hacking process and all that. So let's wait for it to finish and I'll be right back. And now as you can see, it says bot-like behavior detected. Confirm that you are not a bot. Click button below. So once the visitor clicks on this button, your locker is going to pop up. So if I click on the button right now, you can see this is our content locker right here. So once they complete your offer, you get paid. So basically that is how simple it is. So now that we know everything works for our content locker, so basically you can start driving traffic to this link. Okay, so it's going to be the same process for all the landing pages that I will leave in the description below. So basically this is how you can add your content locker script to the landing page, and you can start making money with Cpa marketing. So that brings us to the end of this video, and if you find any value, please leave a like on this video. I do appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.